Good morning, my dear students. A warm welcome to new class 4th, and congratulations for passing to 4th standard. And I wish you all the best and God's blessing for this new year 2020 and 21. And I wish you a joyful and successful year. And dear students, I am taking for you English class, and the book is Marigold, NCERT book, because we already changed this year our English text. So we will start our English class from Unit 1 onwards. Those who have the book, kindly take it and look at the board. We will go through it. The first lesson is Wake Up. So that is the poem, first unit. And here the poem, Wake Up, Wake Up. Actually, the whole poem, Wake Up, shows that we have to get up in the morning and we start all our activities. And these days, I know you were sleeping well. And the same thing is happening to other children also. They wish to take rest and sleep more. So now we will see what is happening in the lesson. Here, wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. And children, that child is sleeping, so they are trying to wake them up so that they can go out and play. Now we will see just you go through the reading once again. Wake up, wake up. You know, wake up meaning is get up. Get up means utho. It's a lovely day, a beautiful day. Do you remember in 3rd standard we learned a word lovely? And lovely meaning is beautiful, pretty. And then, oh, please get up. Asking to get up so that they can go and play. Utho, hum khelenge. And then, it's too late. It is not good this much time sleeping, they are saying. So hurry, you sleepyhead. So they are just telling you get up fast because it is already time to get up. So try. Now what they say? Wash and dress. Come on out. Everyone is up and about. They are telling that now all got up, only you are sleeping. So get up fast. Everyone is up and about. And the cow, who are got up? The cow, the horses, the ducks, and the sheep. The tiniest chicken, cheep, 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 wake up. Even they are also telling you, small chicks, telling that cheep, cheep, get up. So, everyone is asking you to get up. So, children, let us see once again the same thing. Wash and dress means when we get up early morning, we take bath, brush our teeth, and then we change our dress to come out, to go to the school, for anything. We do it. And everyone is up and about the cow, the horses, the ducks and the sheep. So they are also telling they already got up. So तुम भी उठो, हम इकट्ठे जाके खेलेंगे. That is what again they are saying. One more. Just to go through the reading once again, we will come back. Once again, okay. Wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day. Oh, please get up. जल्दी उठो and come and play. और खेलने के लिए आइए. The birds are singing in the trees. And you can hear the buzzing bees. So again say, wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day. It's a beautiful day. Oh, please get up. तुम जल्दी उठो और भी क्यों सो रहे? And come and play. Same word. Come and play. It's too late to lie in the bed. तो ये बहुत देर हो गया. So you get up. So hurry. Do it fast. Because when we hurry means, what do you mean by hurry up? To do something very fast or quickly. You sleepyhead. Sleepyhead means one who is sleeping. A sleepy person is called sleepyhead. And again, wash and dress. And come on out. तुम बाहर आ जाओ खेलने के लिए. Everyone is up and about. Who are wake up? Those who got up, they are the cow, the horses, the ducks, and the sheep, and the tiniest chicken. All those people got up. Only you did not get up. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Wake up. They all are calling the child to get up. Now children, just we will see some of the word meaning and you can learn. You can take your copy, write in the copy and then you can learn it. Here the first word, this is the 4th class and unit 1, wake up. Word meaning, as you know, in 3rd standard you were writing, same way we will continue to write. First word, lovely. Lovely meaning you know it, beautiful or pretty. Second word, buzzing. Buzzing meaning humming sound or making low sound. When these birds are making sound, a kind of humming is there or low voice, that is called buzzing. Then third one, wake up. Of course you know the meaning, wake up meaning get up or stop sleeping. Fourth one, sleepy head, a sleepy person. Next one, hurry up, to do something fast or quickly. To do something fast or to do something quickly. And the sixth word meaning tiniest. You have learned tiny meaning last year. So tiniest meaning very small. When we see it is a comparative and this is the superlative degree. Positive degree, comparative degree and this is the superlative degree. Now children, come to the sounds of animals. As we are learning the sum of the birds here and animals, sounds of animals and birds. First one, a cow. A is written in the out of margin, but you have to write here inside. A cow, what sound they make? Moose. A horse neighs. A duck quacks. A sheep bleats. A goat bleats. Both are same way. A dog barks. A cat mews. A cock crows. A bird chirps. A crow caws. A bee buzzes. So these are the sounds they make. Now let us come to some of the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, it's a dash day. What day? It is a lovely day. Lovely day means beautiful day. Second one, you can hear the buzzing bees. Buzzing is the dash here. Buzzing means humming sound or low voice. Okay? Low sound. Third one, hurry up you dash head. Sleepy head. Hurry up you sleepy head. The next one, oh, please dash up. Please get up. Now we will see the answer the following two. First question, what do you think birds say to each other in the morning? Answer. So what do you think? तुम क्या सोचते हैं? ये बर्ड्स क्या कर रहे मॉर्निंग में, क्या बताते हैं? क्या सोच सकते हो तुम लोगों को? सो आंसर, आई थिंक birds wish good morning to each other in the morning, because we also, when we meet first, we say good morning. So I feel that they are also saying good morning to each other. Second question, who are already awake? Who are already awake? We already saw in the first paragraph, these two people were got up. birds and bees are already awake. And then question number 3. Which creatures wake up in the morning before the child does? ये बच्चे उठने से पहले कौन कौन उठा है? That is what now want to know. So answer: the cow, horses, ducks, sheep and chicks wake up in the morning before the child does. Question number 4. What are the sounds you hear during morning walk? सो कभी भी तुम लोग सुबह सुबह मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए जाएगा तो क्या क्या सुनते हैं? सो इट इज़ इन द डाउन पार्ट ऑफ द लेसन, इट इज़ देयर रिटन. सो दे आर आस्किंग टू गो फॉर द मॉर्निंग वॉक and find out what are the sounds you hear. So here I hear the sounds of rustling of leaves. Rustling means when the पत्ता इधर दोनों इकट्ठे हो जाएगा, ऐसे घूमने समय थोड़ा आवाज आते हैं, that is called rustling of leaves. Then blowing of wind, जो हवा चलने का आवाज. Chirping of birds, बर्ड्स का आवाज. एंड द फुटस्टेप्स, तो लोग चलने का आवाज. सो दीज आर द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ऑफ दिस लेसन. सो चिल्ड्रन, योर होमवर्क इज you have to take your copy, write like the copy unit 1, wake up, word meaning, then whatever is given, so you write in the copy and learn it. So we will meet you tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So by that time you learn it. So wish you all the best for the day. God bless you and start your study. Those who did not get the book, try to get it, or from here you can write in rough copy and you learn it. So thank you very much. Every